Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to find PDF files on your computer. To get started, open the File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or by pressing Windows plus E on your keyboard. Once you're in File Explorer, look at the left sidebar and click on this PC to search your entire computer. Now, go to the search bar at the top right corner of File Explorer. Type .pdf and press Enter. This command will search for all files with the PDF extension across your computer. Wait a few moments as your computer scans for PDF files. Depending on the number of files you have, this may take a little time. Once it finishes, you should see a list of all the PDF files on your computer. If you want to search within a specific folder instead of the entire computer, navigate to that folder in File Explorer and type .pdf in the search bar. This will limit the search to that specific location. And that's it. Now you know how to find PDF files quickly on your computer. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.